down at the Avista Hideaway, Patong in Phuket. As you walk in the room, we're room number 403, and it is a very confusing hotel, as you'll see when we do the resort tour. As you walk in the door, you've got wardrobes just here. Quite a lot of storage, to be fair. A little drawer down there, your safe, you've got an ironing board, and just there you have your yoga mat if you want to take part in some yoga, an umbrella. It comes with quite a few hangers, so, and the light comes on as you open the wardrobe door. Then as you walk down, you've got a huge mirror. Excuse me, I've just been to the pool. Right, and then you walk in into a huge bathroom. You've got your toilet on a separate cubicle there, although I know it's all glass, it's not really separate. Huge rainfall shower, and it is lovely. We've already tried it out. Comes with toiletries and that, and it smells absolutely lovely. In here, massive shower. We've already unpacked our toiletries. A massive mirror, and there's more storage just underneath. Huge bath, and then it's got the shutters there as well. Nice mirror just around here as well. Shaving mirror, makeup mirror, and you can have those shut off if you want a little bit more privacy. You come here, you've got another set of drawers. Little bit to put your cases, and then all of these comes with some fruit if you want to help yourself to fruit, but all these are charged, and it's got a price list just there of how much the prices are and everything. They do give you, the only thing that is free this room is 2 bottles of water, and they are refilled daily. You've got tea and coffee facilities, and just in there is some tea bags, and it comes with, I think this is a Krups machine, but I know it works with, because we did bring some of our own coffee, so we do like a coffee, so I bought the Starbucks vanilla. All that. And in here you have your fridge, and like I said before, if you take anything out of here, it will be charged to your room. When booking in, you do have to leave a 20,000 baht deposit, which you will get back at the end unless you run up a bill. Drinks and all that, we just put our luggage there. There's the air conditioning unit there, a little shoe rack, that's what we're using it for, a massive TV, air fresheners. Then you come around this side. There's not that many charging ports in the room. However, if you bring one of those adapters, which is advisable, then I'd use those to charge your like phones and watches, cameras, etc. A couple of drawers down there, and one of the biggest beds I've actually seen. This is huge and very comfortable. And then you've got all the master system here as well. I know, so you have got a master switch that you can just press, everything goes off, or you can do individually when you get into bed at night and you want to press different lights off, leave some on, it's up to you. And then you press one light if you want them to come in and make your bed up and tidy your room, or just put do not disturb and you click that light and then it'll put a light outside. You've got the hotel phone, and it'll give you a list of, like if you press 0, you can order a golf cart to come pick you up, take you to reception, etc. TV, some nice lights, and we thought this was just like an armchair, but this is actually a sofa bed that you can pull out. And if you do want, obviously someone else is staying in your room, you got 3 people in here, plenty of room, and just ask them for more sheets and that. no problem. Then you go out onto the balcony. I don't think I've forgotten anything else. There is another socket down there, by the way, as well. We moved the air freshener because it was over there. But obviously we need those for sockets, and then you've got lights. It is a very spacious room, which obviously we've been to 7-Eleven, bought some treats, another armchair, and then out on the balcony there's a Mr. Ray. Big balcony, huge sofa. Hello Ray. Yeah, huge balcony, lovely sofa and all that, but you can't really sit out here in the evening because the humidity is
I think because there was a storm brewing last night, I'd imagine the humidity might be a bit more bearable tonight.
Yeah, and the mozzies. Yeah, but it is lovely. And this is our view. So we've got the pool view room just over there. Earlier on we were just sitting just down there in the pool most of the day, which was absolutely lovely. Yeah. And
there is another, this is the other pool view room, but your balcony overlooks the neighbour's balcony.
Yeah.
We have a very unspoilt view of the jungle out to the sea.
Sea's just over there. Yeah, because those rooms, my brother is just in the next block. Oh yeah, in the next block over that side. But obviously he can't have his curtains open at night because everyone can see him.
Yeah.
Apart from the birds.
Not an awful lot can look at us.
Yeah, birds, bats.
Mozzies.
Yeah, but...
Definitely, for me this is definitely one of the best views from the hotel. This is block 4 we're in.
Yeah, it is, I'm not going to lie, it is very hard to navigate in this hotel.
For the first couple of days, we're getting better out here.
Because it sends you like down one floor, to come back up one floor, to walk along a walkway to connect to another block, and vice versa. Yeah. But you will soon get used to it. I think it was because we were so jet lagged on the first day that we didn't really do much, just apart from... No. Don't really want me on camera because I've just been to the pool and my hair is all over the place. But it is lovely. And you can... There is just down there, I don't know if you can see it if you move this way, there is a little... a bar.
Swim up bar.
Yeah, swim up bar. And you don't need to take any money down with you. You can just put it on your room tab. And like I said, that with that deposit that you pay at the beginning when you check in, it just comes off of that.
Despite being so close to the pool bar area, you don't get an awful lot of noise up here, away from it all. It is reasonably...
And my brother is still sunbathing. I can see him just down there.
He's still having a time of his life. Whereas these rooms over here that overlook this part of the pool, you've got the sound system like that swim up bar, so that can get a lot noisier. You don't tend to get an awful lot of traffic noise up here, making it easier to relax in the afternoon.
Yeah, and that's the infinity pool that we stayed in most of the day. So it's been lovely. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you need to ask any questions or anything, then please let us know in the comments below.
If you are coming from block 4, where we are with this view, if you come out the back of the block, drop yourself down to this walkway down here, that connects to the pool. It's a 2-minute walk, and then it's probably a 3 or 4 minute walk up to the Vista buffet breakfast restaurant. You've got the gym over the back there as well, so you are close to all the amenities that you could...
Yeah, I mean, we will show you the resort anyway. We'll come round. We will. It is very hilly. Very hilly. And there's a lot of steps. Yeah, Ray does look. Yeah, there is an awful lot of steps. So make sure you bring your walking shoes with you. Yeah. So if you are enjoying our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And continue watching. We'll do a resort tour and lots more interesting things to come on our Thailand videos. Thank you.